Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to download YouTube video in iPhone Gallery. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Here we are on YouTube, on my mobile, and let's get right into this guide. So I'll be showing you a few different ways for how you can go and download YouTube videos. First method I'll show you is to download your own videos you've published on YouTube, and the second way will be downloading other people's videos. So in order to go and download your own YouTube videos, what you need to do is close off of the YouTube app and go open up a browser on your phone. This can be any type of browser, Safari, Chrome, it doesn't matter. Then what you need to do is go to the search bar and you need to go to studio.youtube.com. We have to do this in a web browser because this feature isn't available in the apps. As you can see, I've typed in studio.youtube.com and go and press go, just like so. And you will need to go and sign into your Google account if you aren't already. And then you'll need to go select the channel which you want to go and access YouTube Studio on. So make sure you enter the channel which has the videos you want to go and download on. And it is important to note that this site is primarily made for YouTube on a computer, which is why it's all quite zoomed out and things like that. But it is still usable. We just have to be careful. So what you need to do is go to the left-hand side and go press on this 3 bars in at the top left and go press on content because we need to go and look at all the videos which are available to go and download. If it doesn't take you there, don't worry. I just go and press on that video button below the one which is currently red. Just like so. Press on content and it should take a moment to load. And here we are. Then scroll down until you go and see the video which you want to go and download to your device. In this case, I want to go and do this one here. So I'm going to sort of scroll across the page if I can, just like so. Then what you need to do is just tap on the video once and you'll go see these sort of 5 different options here. And what you need to do is go tap on those 3 vertical stacked dots, just like so. The 5th option. And as you can see, we've then got this button for downloads, so press on download, just like this. If nothing happens, then you may need to go click it again. I had to click it a few times to go and get this option. Then it says, do you want to go and download this video? Then you can press download, and the video is going to go and start downloading on your phone. Every phone is going to be slightly different with how you can view your downloads, but usually you can go and check out your File Manager app. You've got one on iPhones and Androids. But on an iOS device, you can also go and view your downloads in your browser. To do that, go to the bottom URL bar with the blue sort of download icon. Then you can press downloads. And then, as you can see, here is the video which I just downloaded. You can then go and play it back, just like so. And that's the video there. And I can also go find that in my Files app as well. However, if you want to go download other people's videos, then you need to go open up the YouTube app. And then once you're in the YouTube app, you need to go and find the video you'd like to go and download. For example, if I wanted to download this video here, go and click on the 3 dots in the bottom right. And then as you can see, we've got an option to go and download the video. Or alternatively, just go and tap on the video, and then you can go and scroll across this sort of carousel of options. And as you can see, there's actually an option to go and download this video. Then all you need to do is go and press on download, just like so. And what you can do is go and purchase YouTube Premium, and it has a load of benefits, one of them being able to download videos. As you can see, you can go and download it in a high quality or a medium quality, so depending on how much storage you want the video to take up. So yeah, go and press Get YouTube Premium, and it's essentially a subscription. It's £16 a month, so it'll vary a little bit in your currency. For example, the USD or Canadian dollar as well. It'll vary a little bit. But yeah, then you can go and download it. Once you've downloaded it, you can go and find the videos in your YouTube library. So go to your library in the bottom right at the navigation bar, and then there's going to be a section here called Downloaded Videos once you've got some downloaded. And then you can go watch them without any cellular data, and you can just watch it offline. So that's basically how you can download YouTube video in iPhone Gallery. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.